Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you.
Get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Many of you have already tried to hack Robux. So hey guys, I'm Vivan. So in this video I will show you, is it possible to hack Robux or not. So viewers, first of all I want to say that Robux can't be hacked. So many of you already tried many of websites that can give you a lots of Robux. So please do not try to hack it because it can't be hacked. So if you try this kinds of websites, here you can see several websites. So this websites ask some informations, verifications, just waste your times, hamper your time or nothing. You just give your information, then your account will be hacked. So I will not recommend you to use these websites. So please do not use these websites, and these websites can hack your account. So if you want to get free Robux, then try and work hard, buy, and don't try to hack from here. So it will hack your account details and your personal details, and it can harm you. So I will recommend you not to try this website. So hope you have understand Robux can be hacked. So don't try to hack. So if you find this helpful guys, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you with a new video. Thank you.